Hi, Pamela. This is Larry Ronco. I'm the Director of Teacher Education Accreditation at UMF. You had sent me an email this morning asking questions about assessing assignments in Tk20. I'm going to show you how that can be done using Tk20. So hopefully that will cut down on assessment time. So you're going to have to sign into My Campus. You'll click on the Tk20 tile here, and it should bring you to a page that is the home screen for Tk20. If you come down and you click on courses and then you click on coursework, you will see the two standards that you will be assessing. If you see a red flag next to them, that means that students have submitted some artifacts for you to assess. So I'm going to click on one of these. We'll look at standard 7. And then you'll see the roster of your students. And if you see a red flag, you know that they have uploaded something for you to assess. So I'm going to click on one of the students here. You'll see two panes. On the left side, you will see a link that will connect you toward whatever the student uploaded to Tk20. And when you click on that link, it will open up whatever the artifact is over here on the left side. On the right side is where you're going to do your assessing. You'll see the rubric for the standard right here. So I'm going to click on that link. And you're going to see that the rubric is broken up into two parts. One part will look at the rationale, and another part will look at the actual standard itself. In the rationale, there are 4 different areas that you're going to assess on a scale from 0 to 3. You want to add a content about that, you can type in anything you want here. That is up to you. It's optional. Down here, you're going to address the standard and specifically the standards that are mentioned in the student rationale. So the student could be talking about performance, essential knowledge, or critical dispositions. So for example, if the student identifies one of these areas in terms of performance as in their rationale, that is the only thing that you're going to assess. So you'll again assess it from 0 to 3. You can add comments here. But then for the other 2 areas, you're going to click NA. If the student identifies something that's here in essential knowledge, then you will click NA here and NA here, and then you can assess the student simply on what they provided for you. And then again, you can add a comment if you want to. Now, if the student does identify more than one, you can click on, so if they do something about performance and they identify something in essential knowledge, you can click on, you will assess both of those standards, and then you'll click NA if they didn't do anything about critical disposition. When you're done, you'll see save and close. You can click save. If you are absolutely finished grading, you know that you're done. You can click submit here, and that will finish the process, and then you are ready to go on to your next student. If you have any questions, by all means, let me know. I'm more than happy to work with you.